mo ito guys. Gapa ko na ako maligo. 3, 2, 1, function mga lagan. What's up everybody? It's MG Flores and I'm here again for another travel vlog. YG! One and only MG Mommy G! Where are we going? Hey! So we're here at Badjan, Kawasan Falls. Upon arriving, you will stop by the information area where you will pay 200 pesos for a tour guide. For a guide. Ito na kuya. Abi na kong langaw. Hi kuya. So this is our tour guide. What's your name kuya?
Salvo.
Ah, yeah, Salvo. It's Kuya Salvo. Salvo.
Salvo.
He will be our tour guide. And then Kuya, ikaw na bahala na mo ha.
Okay.
Random facts about Kawasan ay Diyos ang nasa laag. Pak! Tubang Diyos sabi. Pak!
Agay. Naku, sapan.
Thank you. Ah, okay.
Oh, ma'am, paliwan sa 56, ma'am.
Okay.
56 sa swat, ma'am.
Are you guys excited? Are you excited, Kuya? Kuya, get one. Sige, okay. You're welcome. Wow! Sexy mamita. Sana all. Excuse me. Okay, so just a heads up guys, if you come here in Kawasan Falls, make sure you have the endurance to like go over up to the level 3 of the falls. Yes, best. Kanang bayad ng best ya? Oh. Pila? 50 pesos per vest. Back. So we had to stop here at the second falls. There. That's the second falls. Kuya no? Oh yeah. And then, we cannot swim there if we do not have the vest. We have to rent vest. That's for 50 pesos. Hi! It's a good thing I brought my GoPro with me. This is the second post, guys. And a lot of people are here. There's a lot of people here right now. It's May 2021. Yes, they're allowing people to come here in Kawasan Falls already. But you need to have a tour guide. Stop at the information area where you will pay 200 pesos and they will provide you with a tour guide. And you have to walk for a few minutes. Stop by another information area where you will pay entrance fee, 55 pesos for adults. And kids below 7 years old are free to come here. Iba na ka, girl. Lunchtime at 2 p.m. So we are now going to the third level of Kawasan Falls. Been staying in the second level for a while now. There are a lot of tables. You can just leave your stuff there on the table. And the table costs 300 pesos. Okay, so here's a fun fact, Char. I've been here in Kawasan Falls like 3 years ago. And I'm still wearing the same bikini top. So I was with my friends 3 years ago here at Kawasan, and right now I'm with my cousins. There are some changes in the falls. Lesser water already. So this is where the water from the second level of the falls is coming from. And ta-da! Before, you're allowed to jump from here. But right now, it said strictly no jumping without life vest and guide. Well, anyway, we have life vest. We have a guide. Ano man ni si Daday? It's okay, mommy goes just fine. Yeah, artist naman. Di ba magpa-video eh? Feel lucky? 1, 2, 3, slide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, slide. Hi there. Along the way to all the levels here in Kawasan Falls, there are actually many rivers that you can see, just like that. And you can stop by to take pictures. There are a lot of bridges also that you can pass by. Ay, diri mi ato! Diri mi ato naglubog-lubog! To all my friends who were with me last time I was here in Kawasan Falls, do you remember this place? 1, 2, 3. Kawasan! And we are now at the 3rd level! Ta-da! Unluckily, we are not allowed to jump in that area and swing. La! I did not recognize the 3rd level in an instant because the water is pretty low already. And the last time I was here, that was 3 years ago, the level was higher than this one. The water here in this area is supposed to be like on the level of the stones, and right now it has become lower. And our tour guide said it is because of the hydro water the hydro system that's going on here. I don't know what about that. Oh my god, this is so cold. Artista galore. Happy mom, happy life. It's raining already and we're heading back to our table. It's raining! Oh. Comment down below what you think right now. Ganahan ko sa to ang laag sa Kawasan. Kay Dauwan. Amen! Hallelujah! It's raining, man! So we are going home right now, and by the way guys, you know that you are entering Kawasan Falls if you will see this arc. Yeah. Hi Goy! Goy! Hi Goy! We are very lucky no kaya nakakita ta nila. So there are 2 monkeys. Yo. Wala ka nice. Na, dara usa! Goy! Sinuki! We are lucky enough to witness the monkeys. Like, we did not know that they existed here in Kawasan. Kilig! Kilig ko maragagita ko unggoy dahil. Na, alay pang unggoy ay. Without him, we won't be successful in our journey. Thank you so much, Kuya Sabo. Kuya, thank you. Thank you for joining us here sa mga pasaway moments sa Kawasan. Kuya, salamat kaya. Kuya, see you soon, Kuya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, na plano. Hello, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, Abby. Dai, it's raining, Dai. It's raining? Yes? What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh.
Thank you.
Bye!